Now what happened? We are selecting over here first TH. TH for what happened? It's a TH for the table border is coming. Good. Right now I want to give to the TD also, table data. Let's go to the table data also. I'm pasting as it is this code and just I'm changing over here TD. Okay, control S save. Now check it back. Isn't it? So right now your table is ready. Getting? So there is the way we can create a table. But if you want to create the proper table, there is the another way. We need to create it the different CSS for this, and we can create the big table also. Okay. So that is exactly the way. Okay. Now let's go to the next table. Okay. No, not next table. Next concept. Okay. Table we done right now. Let's take the video. Okay. Let's take what? Videos. Okay. How we can take the video? Simply, we need to go to the over here again back our code. I am removing my table. Okay, I don't want to move over any more table tags. Okay, I'm removing table tags. Again, I'm going inside of the body and we are writing videos. Okay, now when we are writing videos, you can see if we want to put anything for the video purpose in middle between, we can put also, but I don't want to put because I want video over here. So what I'm doing, I'm putting over here the path of my video, means src, the past. Okay, so let's go. Suppose I have the one video in downloading, I have already the video. So let me, even you can paste to the YouTube videos also over here. But what happened, let me show you also. If you are putting to the YouTube videos, okay, YouTube. Okay, suppose I want to put any song over here. Okay, not song, the YouTube video. Okay, I'm taking this YouTube video. Okay, and I'm pausing that. See, there we have the option share, and after that, what? Copy. Okay, now close it that. Okay, again back to the your VS code and paste it that the link. Okay, getting? Now what happened? When you're saving, you can check back again to your website. Okay, you can what happened? Okay, let me refresh. Video is not coming. Let me check what is exactly the problem. Why video is not coming? Because we didn't give yet to the controllers. Controllers means what? When we want to stop, play. So we want to use the controllers over here, and always controllers will be inside of your opening bracket only. You can see opening bracket, I'm using the controllers. Getting? Isn't it? I'm not writing to the closing bracket. I'm not writing into the middle of opening and closing. I'm writing where? Inside of the opening bracket only. So first we need to put the link. After that, what? I want to use the controllers. Now controllers save. Now check it back again over here. If you can go to the website again back. Okay. This is my website. You can see my video is over here, but you can see it cannot able to play because of video our YouTube are putting to the restrictions. Okay, so what we are doing, we are putting our something, different video. Let's check, maybe I have the lot of videos, so let me check in the file. Mm, hmm. I have the Sky Vision College video. So what I'm doing, I am just copy this video from over here and I'm pasting to the inside of your folder. Okay, which is our folder name? Try, right? So we are putting over here that particular video. See, right now I have the video. Right now I'm closing to the Word file, our file manager. And what happened? Right now you can see inside of my directory, the Sky Vision video is over here. So what we are doing, we are putting right now this path, our directory path. So when we want to open this directory, what I've introduced, dot slash, okay, after that which video you have. Okay, now let's use, isn't it? Have you done? Yes. Control S save. Now go it back again. You can see I use the big size. Okay, my original size is 100, right? So you can see the video is ready. So, so this is exactly the people are putting to the videos inside of the website using by the video tag. Getting? So this is video tag we done. Now let's go to the next tag. Okay, don't forget to use the controllers. Okay, controllers why we are using, because I want to stop and I want to play. I want to reduce the volume, increase the volume. So these are the controllers. Okay, now after that let's go back again to the our file. Now the Li means what? List of items we already done, right? When we are making to the list, right? You can see list is where we done in the top over here, right? See, when we are making to the order list and unordered list, Li means what? It's a list of item, isn't it? So we can done that. Okay. After that, let's go. Okay. After that list we done. Now input. Input means what we done in the previous classes. Input means what? Okay, let me remove this video. Okay, okay. Input we are using if I want to take the input from the user, right? So after that, just I'm removing this type. Okay, what I'm doing? I'm removing this type just. Okay, control S save. Now go back again to your area. See, this is by default input, isn't it? Getting? Okay, now what happened? We are putting over here input. After that, not style, it is the type. Okay, which type of input we need to took, right? So you can see there are a lot of different types of inputs we have. Getting? Isn't it? Different types of input. But right now I want to take the text type of input. Control S save. Now you can see this is the text type of input, isn't it? So text type of input. Over here I added the different input. Okay, suppose I want to take the button input, so put it over here. Type is the button. Okay, control S save. Now check back. See, is it button? Isn't it? See, I can click that and it's a button type of input. Okay, if you don't want button, see we have the color also. So just I'm removing to the button, okay, to the color type of input, control S save. Now you can see there is right now color type of input. When I'm clicking, I can check that which color I want. So I'm taking what color? Taking suppose a red color or maybe a reddish type of. Okay. So what I'm changing, I'm taking input from the color type. Okay. After that, we have the date type also. See what I'm going. I'm again going to the input tag and just I'm changing to the type. Okay. Suppose I'm taking to the type as the date type. Okay, control S save. Now check it back. You know, when you're going to the calendar and you're selecting your date and everything. So this is type, which type of input I'm taking? Date type. Okay. After that, we have to the date and time together. Getting? So let's go. We have a putting date and time together. Control S save. Now you can see. Okay, refresh. Let me check date and time. Is it working? Date and time. I don't know what is the problem. It's not showing perfectly. Date and time. So I don't think so why it's not working. But date time is not perfectly taking the input. Okay, means together is not taking. So we can use the date, time and location. Let's check this one. Date, time, hyphen location. Control S save. See, this one is properly working. So I can at a time I can check the date, time, okay, and the location. Now let's check. See, date, time, and the AM or PM, isn't it? Getting? Suppose today I want to set the 20 day. Timing, suppose we are selected already, okay, and we want to say the PM means night. Okay, let's say the AM, and now you can see is it we can set that, isn't it? We do not need to write by our hand, just we need to go to the click over here, and what happened, we can select whatever we want, isn't it? Now after that, email, isn't it? If I want to take the email type, right? If I want to take the file type, we can do that also. See, right now let's go to the email type, control S save. Now go back again over here and you can write over here Rohit, right, @gmail.com, isn't it? So like that we can take the email type of input. Okay, now file type, just we need to go to the again over here in the input type of file. Getting? So let's check control S save. Now see, when you know going to the upload any file on internet, that time we are clicking over here and your file explorer automatically open. So this type is what? The input type. Getting? After that we can see image type. Okay, let's go. I'm going over here and I'm changing. I don't want a file, I want to take the image only. Getting? Image type. Now what happened when we are selecting this, you can see it's taken the image type, but it's, you can see it's already submitted. Okay, so we need to make a we need to write a for JavaScript, then it will be work properly. Okay, after that we have to the month type. Suppose I want to take only the month,